Okay. Hello, everyone. And my life before I joined Bagosphere was a bit rough, as I have said, but because as a college student, I wasn't, I struggled to excel in my classes, and that struggle led me into a downward spiral. So it felt like I wasn't growing as a person, and it felt like I was stagnant. I was I wasn't able to envision a future for myself. But when Coach Fiti called me for the training for the when she interviewed me for the training program, it's like something revived in me, renewed a sense of determination and purpose. It if someone would have asked me why join Bagosphere, I would say because it provides a supportive community for job seekers just like me. And speaking from experience, the coaches, the trainers are very helpful. They they are very thorough on what they teach, and they won't let you get stuck on one thing. They will guide you so that you can do better the next time that you practice with them. And also, Bagosphere focuses on development. They focus on equipping individuals with a growth mindset, skills, and capabilities that can help them thrive in any circumstance. And I would like to share how Bagosphere transforms my life by igniting my inner strength and boosting my self confidence. That one phone call helps me regain my hope and motivation to work hard. It made me realize that perhaps I am not a failure. I was just simply rerouted into a much brighter future. And that doesn't mean that I can't take on the path I wanted to just because I was rerouted. I can always do that after I have achieved I have achieved my goals here in the BPO industry. And my plan after this program is to secure a BPO job, of course. That's what we're all trying to do. But in the long run, I aim to grow within the industry, acquire new skills, and take on more significant roles such as being a team leader, a supervisor, or a manager. I aim high so that so we should all aim high. That's and I am grateful that I get to be a part of this training program because this experience has been so great and so enlightening. And Bagosphere and the coaches, I just want to say thank you for guiding us through all the challenges. That's all.